Hello everyone, welcome to our Nzema lessons with Dr. Augustina Osabute. Our word of the day is bird, and in Nzema language, bird is anloma. Anloma. Can you pronounce it? Anloma. A, l, o, aluma. Thank you very much. Kindly purchase my first Nzema Words, Animals and Other Books series on Amazon.com and Safari-Treasures.com. The Nzema language is spoken by the people of the Nzema tribe in Ghana and in Cote d'Ivoire. A fun fact about Nzema land is that the first king of Nzema land is called King Kakwaka. Throughout this week, we are going to learn more about King Kakwaka. Kindly share this video, kindly follow, kindly comment for a wider reach, kindly like, kindly subscribe to our channel. Thank you.